Hi guys, it's Motozi here today, and today we're gonna be talking about 5 accessories you can use with your Tello drums. The Tello drums battery doesn't really last longer, and you need some accessories to make it work properly the way you want them to be. So at number one, I'm going to be talking about the remote control, physical remote control that is even much better than the screen touch remote control on your iPhone or your Android phone. So the controller enables you to control more better without covering the whole screen estate, which you can see much on the on the controller. And at number two is a power bank. A power bank enables you to power your battery and your drum directly by connecting the USB cable from the power bank, and you know the way it goes anyway. So power bank can be used anywhere without you looking for a socket or to power your car charger or whatever to power the drum. So a power bank will be a very good accessory to have in hand. And the third one is the propellers. The propellers that comes with the Tello, I think they gave you extra four. You get broken or get lost, then you have to get another one. So I got some cheaper ones from Amazon's in different colors, and you can replace them, because the other way day I was flying my drone and the Tello, it got broken and one got lost, so I had to replace them. So I bought some extras in case of that again. And at number four is Wi-Fi extender. You can use the Wi-Fi extender to extend the range between your phone, the controller, or whatever you're using to fly the drone, and makes it for you to be able to fly on a long distance or record on a long distance and stuff like that. And then last but not the least is an extra power pack. That is the battery. The one that comes with the Tello is just one piece, and you need to get an extra one in case you need to do a long range or a lot of time outside to record. The one that comes with doesn't last more than 10-15 minutes depending on where you're recording. So having an extra battery is going to be a plus for you when you're far away somewhere outside and you're shooting and recording, and you can go back to get one. So that's it, guys. Guys, if you've not subscribed, it's the proper time for you to subscribe and get more videos and support my channels. And I hope to see you in the next video, guys. Have a lovely day and a lovely weekend to come. Bye. Peace.